A cargo vessel relies on precise GNSS signals for oceanic navigation and coordinate timing. If external signals are intentionally jammed or lost, the ship's navigation system must maintain its timing reference to prevent position drift. This is where the holdover performance of an OCXO becomes the primary defense. Normally, an OCXO is disciplined by the GNSS to maintain perfect accuracy. When the signal drops, the oscillator transitions into holdover mode. Because the internal oven environment suppresses temperature-induced frequency shifts, the oscillator continues to output a stable frequency with minimal deviation, effectively acting as an independent timekeeper until the signal returns. Maintaining this level of accuracy is essential for safe navigation through challenging maritime environments. For systems requiring resilient, high-stability timing during extended signal outages, explore the frequency control solutions designed for critical infrastructure at dynamicengineers.com.